Tesla. Tesla became one of the world's most valuable corporations in October 2021 with a market capitalization of almost $1 trillion. Wanna know how Tesla differentiates itself from other manufacturers of electric automobiles, such as those manufactured by Ford and Chevrolet, which have sparked fierce competition in the market? Let us get right to the point. What is Tesla? Tesla Motors Incorporation is a California-based automobile firm that designs, manufactures, and sells electric vehicles and components. The company focuses on manufacturing electric vehicles, lithium-ion battery energy storage systems, and solar panels. Tesla first received global attention when the Tesla Roadster, the world's first fully electric sports vehicle, was introduced. The Model S is the company's second vehicle, a completely electric luxury sedan, and the Model X is an all-electric crossover SUV. Unlike the batteries found in most electric automobiles, Tesla batteries is made up of thousands of lithium-ion cells. The Model S, a $70,000 luxury sedan, is Tesla's most popular vehicle. Tesla Motors recently introduced the Model X sport utility vehicle SUV and is developing a more affordable Model 3 concept vehicle for delivery 2 to 3 years from now. Before that, most publicly available data related to the Roadster and Model S automobiles. Every new Tesla comes equipped with autopilot as a standard. Each new Tesla vehicle is equipped with 8 exterior cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and a sophisticated onboard computer, which adds another layer of safety to your ride. Autopilot is a cutting-edge driver assistance system that improves driver safety and convenience and minimizes your total driver workload. In 2004, the company's goal was to start with a high-end sports car aimed at early adopters before expanding into more mainstream vehicles such as sedans and inexpensive compacts. Let us investigate who discovered this vehicle. Tesla Motors was formed in July 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Elon Musk, the co-founder of PayPal, became the company's largest stakeholder and chairman in 2004 when he invested $6.5 million. He has served as the company's CEO since 2008. Tesla's mission, according to him, is to speed the transition to environmentally benign modes of transportation and energy sources through the use of electric vehicles and solar energy. Tesla creates cars through software development on proprietary hardware, just like Apple does with the iPhone or Microsoft with Intel CPUs and Dell PCs. What's interesting is that Tesla produces 15 cars every week, most of which are bespoke orders. Woohoo! Quite impressive! Tesla designs and produces a suite of energy solutions that enable homeowners and businesses to control renewable energy generation and consumption while drastically lowering battery cell costs. Tesla is also a major supplier of battery energy storage systems globally with 3 gigawatt-hours. Let's take a look at Tesla's environmental impact. Tesla Motors emit less pollution, resulting in a safer environment. Emissions from autos and trucks are hazardous to the environment and our health, and Tesla Motors help reduce pollution. Health problems such as asthma, coughing, cancer, and early mortality are caused by air pollution from gasoline-powered automobiles. Diesel-powered automobiles such as Tesla are more efficient at converting energy to power automobiles and trucks than gasoline-powered vehicles. More than 500,000 more cars were sold by Tesla in 2020 than in the previous year, serving as a beneficial example for other automakers, demonstrating that a sizable population desires efficient and high-performance vehicle. Tesla's electric vehicle is powered by lithium-ion batteries, similar to laptops worldwide, which is a crucial distinction between a Tesla and a hybrid vehicle. That is quite impressive. Tesla states that it combines its style, acceleration, and handling with modern technologies to create some of the world's fastest and most fuel-efficient automobiles. Tesla is increasing the accessibility and affordability of its product for a broader range of people. It is continuing to make tremendous progress in adopting clean transportation and clean energy generation and developing new features to capture the attention of the customers. We hope you enjoyed today's video and learned a lot from it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Until the next video, bye-bye.